In this video, I will reveal how to start digital marketing in 2025 and 2x your income. Increase your income this year. Because in 2025 right now, digital marketing is the only way to go because you can make so much money, especially as a woman, you can make so much money. So it's better I explain to you what digital marketing is step by step so that you guys can learn something or one or two things and maybe implement them. So let's jump right into the video. First thing you need to know is pick a niche or a topic that you are going to choose. The topic that you want to choose, you can choose the business niche, the making money online niche. You can choose the beauty and fashion niche depending on the niche that you want to do. First thing is to choose what niche or what topic you're going to do. Then second thing, go to canva.com and create a simple digital product like an ebook. An ebook is very simple to create, or a template, or a planner, or a journal, just something that you're going to sell to someone. I recommend you starting maybe with an ebook, whereby you write in the ebook you write all the contents, all the information that you know about that topic in that ebook. Clearly specify each and everything, the table of contents, the topics that you're going to be covering, and just everything. You just put it there in the ebook. Maybe you have testimonials, maybe you have reviews, maybe you have a transformation that occurred to you. Write everything down in that ebook. Or you can create a course, like you can decide maybe 1 or 2 days or even a week to do a course with the knowledge that you have. Do a course, record videos, edit the videos, then you put them in websites like Udemy. I don't know if you guys know udemy.com. You put the website and also a website like Teachable. You can even put it in your own website and start promoting it there. For the ebook, when you finish it with Canva, you're supposed to download it as a PDF. A PDF is a document. That PDF document is going to be downloaded in your computer or in your laptop, and you're going to be having it as a PDF. Or you can purchase a done for you digital product that has everything in it, and it gives you the ability to rebrand, rename, and resell it for 100% commission, which is what I do. I do both actually. I have my own digital products that I've created, and there are other ones that I have private label rights where I can rebrand, rename, and resell the same digital product for 100% profit. If you are interested in purchasing one, I'll put the link to my store in the description box. Get one and start promoting the digital products. So after you download the PDF ebook in your phone, or you purchase the done for you one, and you've gone to Canva, you've rebranded, you've renamed and done everything, now it's yours, go and upload it into your online store. There are several stores and websites that you can sell digital products. Most of them are paid ones. You have to pay a subscription fee. Otherwise, they are very free. I assume you are a complete beginner and maybe you don't have that money to pay. I consider you going to beacons.ai. You can sign up for Beacons using the link in my description box and in the top comment. Go to beacons.ai, sign up for a free account, upload that PDF, that ebook that you've created in Canva in beacons.ai, your store. Put the name of the ebook. Maybe your ebook is about modeling. Let's say you're in the modeling space and you want to create an ebook on how to model, how to do poses, how to do stuff. So maybe you can decide on a title, or if you can't decide on a title of that ebook, go to ChatGPT, use AI to give you like an idea of the title and the description that you're going to use to put in that product in beacons.ai. After writing the title and the description, you're going to price it. I recommend you pricing it in the patterns of 7 and 9, if it's $17 or $19 or $27 or $29, like patterns of 7 and 9, because there's a study that shows that it gives the psychological mind in the mind of a customer that he or she is going to be saving some amount. That's why you have to write it in the multiples of 7 or 9. So you price it and you put it there. It will be in your store. Other than beacons.ai, there's another free store that you can use called system.io. I'll also put the sign up link in the description box and also in my first comment. Sign up to system.io. It's free. You can put and upload your digital products there, put the description, put the price, and start promoting it to make sales. There are also other several websites that you can upload your digital products, especially your ebooks and your templates, for free. Others are free, others are not free. They have subscription fees. There is Shopify. Shopify is paid. You have to pay. There's StanStore. So you have to pay also. There's Gumroad. Gumroad is free, though when you make a sale, you're going to be deducted some amount. Same case to system.io and beacons.ai. The only disadvantage that these free websites have is that when you make a sale, they're going to deduct it from your sale, from your profit, and you get an amount after they deduct it. So you can use Shopify, which is paid, Gumroad, Podia. There are so many websites that you can upload your digital products. After uploading your ebook or your digital product, depending if it's an ebook or a template, in because.ai or system.io, you go to Instagram, you create a brand new account, or if you already have an Instagram account, you're going to edit your bio, optimize your bio with keywords and how you're going to help the client, because when a client comes to your social media, he's going to see how you're going to help him or her. So optimize it with keywords. Put keywords. Maybe if you're selling digital products, you can write your name. Maybe your name is Gabriela _ digital product, or sell digital products. Then you write your bio in a way you're going to help the client. Maybe you're going to help the client, helping you get more poses. If your ebook it's a pose, or if your niche you're going to put modeling, helping you make more poses. Then you put the CTA, the call to action, what you want the client to do to get the guide. You're going to put an arrow. Then you're going to put that link of your store, your beacon store, in your bio in Instagram or TikTok or Facebook, depending on the social media platform that you chose. Then you're going to start posting reels, especially reels, because reels get so much people, so many non-followers into your account. So you're going to start posting reels about your digital product. You can even decide to print out the digital product, the ebook, so that you can create videos about it, promote it and post it on social media, so that people can get a glimpse of what is inside the book, and you can create more and more marketing videos using your ebook, like when you have it printed physically. So start creating videos about how your ebook is going to help someone. What can someone learn inside the ebook? How is it going to transform a person's life? What emotion is there? Maybe you have put a happy emotions inside the ebook when someone puts a pause, or when someone takes a good picture with a good pose. Like, explain the ebook using reels and market it so that you can make sales. And when someone or one reel goes viral, people will come into your page, either your Instagram or TikTok or Facebook page. They will check your bio. They will click that link in your bio that takes them to the store. They will see where the ebook is. If they're interested, they will make a purchase and you will have made a sale. Apart from an ebook, you can also decide to do a course. As I said, do a course, create videos using a course. Like I'm doing this video. Dedicate maybe like a week of doing videos about the thing that you love doing or the knowledge that you have in. Then do the videos, save them in your laptop or in your computer, then go to a website like system.io. It usually have a course, or even beacons. Those are free websites that you can put your course there, and people will start, when you start promoting, you're going to make sales. Also Udemy is a great way, because I've made a sale with Udemy, not even one sale. I'm going to put a screenshot here of the sale that I made. So you can also do Udemy. Teachable, also you can also upload your videos and your courses there. Though Teachable has a fee, you have to pay. So start digital marketing, start doing that side hustle in 2025. So many people are taking the leap of faith and starting their online business, and they have made so much money with it. You can also purchase a done-for-you course like Digital Wealth Academy, that's a course, or UBC, the Ultimate Branding course. There's so many done-for-you courses that have master resale rights that you can promote and make commissions from it, and you can make profit from it. So don't limit yourself to only making a course. If you don't want to make that course, you can purchase a done-for-you course which comes with resale rights that you can resell and earn commissions with it. The key with starting digital products and digital marketing, or even any other business, is to be consistent and just go with it. Just start, be consistent with it. There are days you're going to feel, I'm not getting any sales, I'm not getting any views in my videos, I'm not getting anything, I'm not getting any traction. But what you should know is just to keep going, keep being consistent, because the people who are consistent with it are the ones who are going to make it to the end, make those sales, and inspire more and more people. Because remember, so many people right now in the world are looking for your product, are looking for what you have to offer to them, are looking for a way you are going to help them with your product. So don't limit yourself. If you see like you don't have any views, you don't have any followers, just keep going, keep pushing, keep posting. The secret is being consistent, because when you're being consistent, one reel might go viral, and maybe in that reel you are explaining something like about your product or about digital products, and when someone checks that reel, they purchase from you, you will make very good money even within a day. So just be consistent with it and take it serious, and I'm telling you, you're going to see results. Thank you for watching this video until the end, until here we've reached so far. If you've learned one thing or two, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Comment what you want to see from this video, or comment what you've learned from this video, or even share to someone who might need to know what digital marketing is and how to get started with digital marketing and make that money in 2025. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.